Hi, this is Reggie from Restful Physical Therapy, and today's tip of the day, I want to describe to you what is the best sleeping position. Have you had the experience of lying down in bed and you go to sleep either nighttime or even during daytime, and then you wake up, you're having back issues, or can be even your whole body's aching afterwards? I want to show you how or what is the best sleeping position, especially if you have low back pain. All right, so we will use a pillow here as a prop. So let me show you. I'm gonna lie down here. So most of the time when we lie down, it's going to be like this. This is lying down facing up is the best position for your back, or in general for the whole body. I know some of my patients tell me I can't sleep only on my side or on your tummy. Those are not ideal sleeping positions. Ideally, you want to be on your back facing up, all right? So like in this way, and then you can grab a pillow or towel rolls or anything you can put under your knees. Actually, for this, it can be a little thicker, not too bad. So basically what you want there to do is you want your knees to be slightly bent. That will decrease or take off the pressure from your back as you are sleeping. This is especially important for people who are, let's say they're heavier, they will have more fat or muscle in this area that will make their back kind of like be arching like this way. All right, so then you need your legs to be bent, so that way your back will be flatter, so your spine will be flatter. All right, so try that and see if you can get better quality of sleep. If you have any questions, let me know, and feel free to comment below. And if you like this video, feel free to share it to people you know, friends and family. You can follow us on Instagram, you can like us on Facebook, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.